Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Mathematics Online classes. Dear students, today let us discuss about next continue that problems. So next problems, problem number 2. Second main 2. An is equal to n square divided by 2 to the 4 of n. Find A7. Find A7. Okay, so A7 put in the place of n is equal to 7. N is equal to 7 means n 7 square divided by 2 to the 4 of 7. So 7 square means 49. 49 divided by 2 to the 4 of 7. Otherwise multiplied by 2 to the 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, multiplied by 2 into 2 into in 7 times. Otherwise simply to write like this, no problem. 2 to the 4 of 7. Okay, so next problem number 9. Problem number 9 it is minus 1 whole to the 4 of n minus 1 n cube. Find the values of a to the power of 9. A to the power of 9 is equal, put in the place of n is equal to 9. Find the values of a to the power of 9. Sorry, a9. Minus 1 whole to the 4 of 9 minus 1 n is equal to 9 cube. So minus 1 whole to the 4 of 8 9 cube. 9 cube means 9 nines are 81. So 81 minus 1 whole to the 4 of 8 9 multiplied by 3 times 9 is 729. 729. So minus 1 whole to the 4 of 8 means this is even number. Even number means plus 1. Odd number ittandre minus bರ್ತದ. So plus that is equal to total result is 729. Okay, next last problem, that is problem number 10. Problem number 10, an is equal to n into n minus 2 divided by n plus 3. Find the values of a20. Find the values of a20. So put in the place of n is equal to 20. 20 into 20 minus 2 divided by 20 plus 3. 20 plus 3. So 20 into 20 minus 2, 18 divided by 20 plus 3, 23. So otherwise 8 ones are 18 into 0, 0, 18 twos are 36 divided by 23. This is the value of a20. Okay, write like this. Yes, okay, complete. Okay, dear students, next problem number 11. You see your textbooks. Problem number 11, it is one type of different. So here find the first 5 terms. First 3 terms or first 5 terms, first 5 terms. First 5 terms, which of the following? In exercise problem number 11, you see 11. So that case, find the first 5 terms. But some condition is there on problem. First you should take problem number 11. So 11 is a1 is equal to 3n. a1 is equal to 3. an is equal to 3an minus 1 plus 2, but n greater than 1. n greater than 1. a1 is equal to 3, an is equal to 3 into an minus 1 plus 2. So dear students, here first 5 terms means a1 already find, a1 is equal to already find out, a1 is equal to 3. Next find out a2, a3, a4, a5. Okay, so first you should find out a2. So a2 is equal to, you see, put in the place of n is equal to 2, a2 is equal to 3 into, in the place of n is equal to what? 2 minus 1 plus 2. So a2 is equal to 3 into a2 minus 1, 1 plus 2. So a2 is equal to 3 into, what is the value of a1? a1 already given. a1 is equal to what? 3. Right here 3. So 3 plus 2. So A2 is equal to 3 3s are 9 plus 2. A2 is equal to 11. A2 is equal to how much? 11. Okay, dear students, once again you see. So AN is equal to 3 into AN minus 1. Here n minus 1 plus 2. Put next here, first you should find out first 5 terms. Already given first terms A1 is equal to 3. So put in the place of n is equal to 2. 3 3 A 2 minus 1 plus 2. So A 2 3 into 2 minus 1 1 plus 2. A1 is equal to what? 3 3 plus 2. 3 3s are 9 plus 2 9 plus 2 11. Okay. A2 is equal to 11. Okay. Next A3 11. A3 yes. A3 is equal to in the place of n is equal to 3. 3 into A 3 minus 1 plus 2. A3 is equal to 3 into 3 minus 1 2 plus 2. So 3 into what is the value of A2? Already find out here. Put in the place of A2 11 plus 2. 3 into 11 33 plus 2, that is equal to 35. That is equal to 35. So next 4 A4, put in the place of n is equal to 4. A4 3 into, you see, 3 into 4 minus 1 plus 2. 3 into A4 minus 1 plus 2. A4 is equal to, so 3 into 4 minus 1 3 plus 2. A4 is equal to 3 into, what is the value of A3? What A3 already considered. A3 is equal to how much? 35. So put 35 plus 2. So 3 into 35, 105 plus 2. 105 plus 2, 107. So this is the value of A4. A4. Okay, next last A5. A5 is equal to 3 into A, put in the place of n is equal to 5. 5 minus 1 plus 2. A5 is equal to 3 into A4 plus 2. So that is equal to 3 into A4. A4 value is 107 plus 2. That is equal to 107 into 3. 3 sevens are 21. 1, 2, 2. 3 ones are 3. Okay? 321 plus 2. 321 plus 2, 323. This is the first 5 terms values. Okay? This is one type of the problem. Okay? This is also one type of the problem. Did you understand this? So here A1 is equal to given, AN is equal to 3, AN minus 1 plus 2. Find out first 5 terms. First 5 terms is A2. Put n is equal to A2. To get answer is 11. Put A3. And 2 minus 1 or 1. No, A1. Given value substitute here. So here A3 minus A2. A2 substitute here. This one. Next A3. A3 35 substitute here. Next A4 107 substitute here. Okay. So this is the main important problems. Okay. Write on this. Yes, okay. So next continue this problem. So find the series and the A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus etc plus AN plus inala. So ಈಗ first A1 is equal to ಇದನ್ನ ಇಷ್ಟು ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Therefore ಇದು ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Therefore the sequence are, therefore the sequence are first one A1 is equal to already given 3 comma A2 11 comma A3 35 comma so A4 107 comma next A5 323. Okay, so next sum of the series ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಬರ್ಸಿರಲ್ಲ a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus a4 plus etc an. Here also therefore series is yes 3 plus 11 plus 35 plus 107 plus 323. So this is the main end result of the problems. Okay, therefore the sequence first 5 terms 1 2 3 4 5. This is series ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರ್ಸಿದೆ a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus a4 plus a5. Okay, this is series 3 plus 11 plus 35 plus 107 plus 323. Okay na, read on this. Okay dear students, this is problem number 11 actually. So 12 13 14 ಬಿಡಿ, ಇದೇನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. 14 is not necessary. 12 and 13 these are homework. ಇದನ್ನು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವೇ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ನ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ 12 and 13 are homework. Okay, so next you read this. Next I am going to so in types of sequence. Okay, read on first this. So 12 and 13 is homework. Okay, so next I am going to types of sequence. Okay, first today let us discuss about types of sequence. So dear students, types of sequence, so here totally so 3 sequence are there. One is arithmetic progressions, second one is geometric progressions, third one is harmonic progressions. Okay, today let us discuss about arithmetic progressions, in abbreviated arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. Okay, arithmetic progressions. What is meant by arithmetic progressions? The sequence, for example, a sequence series or sequence, for example, you take best a sequence a1 comma a2 comma a3 comma so a4 etc an. This is arithmetic progression, but common difference is same. A sequence in orderly arrangement of some rule, but common difference is same. ನೋಡಿ everything common differences ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ a2 minus a1 is equal to a3 minus a2. Next a4 minus a3. So a4 minus a3. So next a5 minus a4. Therefore, given any sequence, that common difference is same. How do you find out common difference like this? So, for example, on the example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a sequence. What type of sequence? Arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic progression. It is a sequence named as another name progression. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a arithmetic progression. So you see common difference. This is first term a1, this is a2, this is a3, a4, a5. So common difference is denoted by small letter d. D is equal to a2 minus a1. What is the value of a2? 2. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So next similarly a2 minus a1 over you take a3 minus a2. a3 is equal to 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Next 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Therefore, this is arithmetic progression because the difference between any two consecutive term is same. Okay, what is meant by arithmetic progression? So, arithmetic progression is a sequence. The difference between any two consecutive terms is constant. Otherwise, same. It is called arithmetic progression. This is the definitions of the arithmetic progressions. So next, dear students, general form of general form of arithmetic progression. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the general form of the arithmetic progression formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the general form of the arithmetic progression. Therefore, this is An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, dear students, next. So, what is the this next n general form of this nth term of a sequence? Nth term of arithmetic progression. Nth term of the arithmetic progression is equal to L is nth term of a progression. You see, nth term of progression is equal to L is equal to n minus 1 into d. L is equal to n minus 1 into d. This is one formula. This is nth term of a AP. ಇದೇನು ಕಾಮನ್ ನಾವೇನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಡ. ಓಕೆ, ಏನು ಬೇಡ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತದೆ. ಎಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ n minus 1 into d ಒಂದಿರಲಿ. nth term of an AP ಅಂದಾಗ ಸೊ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ವೆನ್ ಗಿವನ್ n ಅಂಡ್ ಸೊ n ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್, d ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. therefore L is equal to n minus 1 d ಅಂತ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಏನು ಇದಿಲ್ಲ. So next, now sum of n terms of a sequence. Sum of n terms. ಇದೇನಾಯ್ತು? a1, a2, a3, an. This is a general term, general form of the sequence. So next I am going to, so sum of Sn. S means sum, n means number of. Sn is equal to a1. ಇದರ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 2 minutes ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇದನ್ನ? ಬರೀರಿ. Write on this. Okay, so next dear students, sum of n terms means ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟ a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus a4 plus is equal to how much ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟ. given like this ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟ. so that is one formula is there. Sn is equal to, S means sum of n terms. Sum of n terms Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is one formula. Another one formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. Okay, Sn ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ n means number of terms, a means first term. Here a is called a first term, d is common difference. So in here a first term is a1. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, don't confuse, this is very important formula. Next, here n means number of terms, a means first term, l means last term. Last term means a4. This is first term, last term. When so both are sum to n terms of the arithmetic progressions. Take care here. You are called the sir ಎರಡು ಬರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ವಾ ಅಂದ್ರು. No. When given first term and last term, use this formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. When given first term, common difference, and sometimes is not given in this case, sometimes is not given directly given here, first term and last term, not given in common difference, then use the formula. When given only first term and common difference, you take this formula. Both are Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. Both are the sum to n terms of the formula, sum to n terms of the arithmetic progression, sum to n terms of the arithmetic progressions. But in this case, ಯಾವಾಗ ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ n is equal to ನೀವು ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ a is equal to first term, L is equal to last term, D is equal to common terms. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಇವು ಎರಡು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನು ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಎರಡು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಇದು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಇದು ಬರೀರಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೀರಿ. ಏನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? This one general form of the arithmetic progression. Don't confuse. General form of the arithmetic progression is a is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So sum of n terms is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And this one, when this is also sum to n terms, n by 2 into a plus n. So when given common difference and first term, use this formula. When given only first term and last term, use this formula. Okay? Right. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Okay, so next, so another important note is there. Another important note, it is arithmetic mean of AM. AM in the arithmetic mean of A and B. A and B. A and B are the numbers. A means arithmetic. M means mean. Mean and then divided by 2 ಮಾಡಷ್ಟೇ mean. ಈಗ 10 and 2, what is the mean? 10 plus 2 divided by 2. given two numbers ನೀವು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ರಿ SSLC ಲಿಂದ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ. therefore when find out the arithmetic means, use this formula. Arithmetic mean is equal to a and b are the numbers, a plus b divided by 2. ಇದೊಂದು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. arithmetic mean formula, am is equal to a plus b by 2. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗ find the arithmetic mean ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಈಗ find the arithmetic mean between 4 and 6 ಅಂತಾರೆ. 4 and 6 ಆಗ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? a is equal to 4, b is equal to 6. 4 and 6, 4 plus 6, 10. 10 divided by 2, 5. Therefore, the arithmetic mean of 4 and 6 is 5. Okay, did you understand? ಆ ರೀತಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇನ್ನೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದೊಂದು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So, arithmetic mean is equal to a plus b by 2. A and b are the numbers. Okay? Yes, write on this. Very good. Okay, so next tomorrow some procedure of the selection for terms of arithmetic progressions ಇದೆ. ನಾವು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಎ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಲಿ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಮ್ ಸರ್ಟೆನ್ ರೂಲ್ ಬಟ್ any two consecutive terms is same or constant. That is the definitions of the arithmetic progressions. So therefore a1 and a2, a3, a4 etc. these are the some sequence terms. Okay, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So common nth term is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Sum of n terms in two formula is there. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Another one, Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. Okay, so these are the very important formula. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಾನು ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್, ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೌ ಡು ಯು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಡಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ 3 ಕಾನ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ಸ್, 4 ಕಾನ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ಸ್, 5 ಕಾನ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್. Thank you.